We went on a 24-hour deep-sea fishing expedition out of Dana Point Harbor in Orange County, California. It was 8:30 p.m. when we left, as another group was just arriving. Before heading out, we stopped in to pick up live bait right at the harbor's edge. The bait fish were these 6-inch, extremely active sardines. Many fell off the side straight into the mouth of some hungry seals. After that, we headed west all throughout the night, going about 10 knots towards San Clemente Island. It took us about 7 hours before reaching the cliffs at dawn. San Clemente Island is twice as far as Catalina, but since it's entirely owned by the United States Navy, there is little activity in the surrounding waters. We spent every minute hooking the bait, casting out the lines, and reeling it in.
Nice boil right there in the stern.
If you've ever caught yellowtail, you'll know how incredibly bright the scales are in the sunlight.
Woo! Yeah!
They have a beautiful glow before you even see the silhouette.
You get it?
He's got it. He's got it good.
Sick, bro.
Yeah!
We did this non-stop until late afternoon when it was time to come back. On the journey back, they filleted our catch and chucked the rest back into the hungry belly of the abyss. We even saw dolphins and whales greeting us on our journey home. In my opinion, the best view of Orange County is right at the entrance of Dana Point Harbor. The cliffs and valley perfectly frame the epic Saddleback Mountains. And of course, the best sushi is the one you catch yourself.